You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this beautiful word meaning peace in Hebrew. If you want to learn more confusing Hebrew names, biblical names, names from the Hebrew Bible that many get wrong, also stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you. I'll link to a few for you at the end of this one. In Hebrew, there are two slightly different pronunciations, Hebrew and French. Not French, English pronunciation. All right. Hebrew pronunciation, shalom, shalom, shalom. In English, however, it's usually pronounced as shalom. Therefore, if you hear people saying it shalom, shalom, that's the English pronunciation, so it's not incorrect. It is correct, but it's in English, shalom. But in Hebrew, it's usually pronounced more as shalom. Therefore, it's also correct, being the original Hebrew pronunciation. Did you get this? Could you hear the difference? Let me know in the comments. See you soon for more. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.